What's up, guys? This is Evo from Evo's Edible Creation, and today we're gonna create something, but we don't know if it's gonna be edible. Today we are making fried Skittles. I said it right, y'all. Fried Skittles. Bang. What's up, fam? It looks like we're gonna do a voiceover for this video, so let's get right into it. So the first thing we're gonna need is all our ingredients for our fried Skittles. That's right, I said it. Fried Skittles. We're gonna need mixing bowl, pancake batter, egg, and some water. See right here, I'm pouring half the box into the bowl. Okay, maybe a little more than half the box. So, and then we're gonna grab a bottle of water. I use most of the water, but you can use half of it to get it thick enough earlier. I had to put some more pancake batter in it later on. After that, we're gonna go add large or 1 egg. After we grab our egg, we're gonna crack it and drop it in the bowl. Just like that. And let's stir it away. Then we're gonna move on to stirring our bowl. We're gonna mix it till it gets thick and to that consistency you would like. We're gonna continue to mix it. Okay. We still mixing. How much mixing we gonna do in here? I think I should have cut it down a little bit. Alright, I'm watching it. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to do a transition. But we are still mixing the batter. We want that thick consistency. As we move on to our transition, right here, now we're gonna get ready to head to our stove. We got our Skittles. We froze them over the night for 24 hours so they can get hard. They won't melt in the pot. So let's head over to our stove now. Oh, we're headed yet? Okay, we're moving now. Let's go. Now we're at our stove. We got our Skittles. Our pot is already hot to that temperature we need because I've already tested it. We got our Skittles, got our batter. For the first time, I did make a mistake. I did drop my Skittles in the batter, as you can see. And when I did that, rookie mistake, because I lost majority of the Skittles in the batter. You see I was reaching around to look for them. But I found them. Now let's try. Yes, I do have a plastic spoon. But let's try to go and get them in there. Okay, and this right here is when I knew I messed up. These Skittles start melting so fast, like Ice Age meltdown. That was good. So keep it moving on. We are trying to save these poor little Skittles. As you can see, my assistant helping, and then my friend Jay Scott Top up in the background, laughing horribly. So right here, I should have did the first time. I tried to pour the batter on top of the Skittles to see a better mix. I'm pouring right now. Pour most of it right now. Now I'm gonna use my hands. Mix it. Okay, there you go. Look. And then my assistant thought of a bright idea. Let's get a handful. Let's see. We are there, and she forgot that was a plastic spoon. She's special. So we just frying it away. Yeah, we realized that the Skittles were pouring through the bottom, so I tried to flip it upside down. To see like a fried a different way. Like that. Anyway. So yeah, we just gonna have to cut all that out. So as you can see from this video right now, y'all, it is a total fail. You ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, man, we got bad news. Fried Skittles can't be fried. Here's the end results. When they got in there, they just crumbled apart. Look at my fried Skittles. They got a little crust around, but ain't getting nothing. This edible eats. We still gonna try to taste like fried chicken Skittles. This edible eats. We try to create something new. This ain't gonna be at your local fair. I'm out.